Before buying a strategy board game, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Splendor. Let's kick things off with Splendor from Asmodee. This gem trading and engine building game has a price tag of about $31.99, but it caught my attention with its elegant design and strategic depth. If you want to enjoy a quick yet engaging game night with friends or family, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Splendor shines in its simplicity and strategy. You collect gem tokens to purchase development cards and attract noble patrons, racing to earn 15 prestige points. The gameplay is quick to learn, making it easy for anyone to jump in. With a 4.9-star rating from nearly 15,000 reviews, it's clear that many players appreciate its strategic depth and replayability. Now, some people complain that it can become repetitive after multiple plays. Here's the thing though, every game group is different, and if you enjoy strategic decision-making, this won't be a deal-breaker for you. It's still a fantastic choice for those who love engaging gameplay. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a family-friendly game that doesn't take all night to play. Skip this one if you're looking for something more complex or time-consuming. For the price, it offers excellent value for a solid board game experience. Now, if Splendor simplicity seems too easy for you, this next one takes a completely different approach with much deeper strategy. Product number 2, Risk. Next up is the classic Risk board game from Hasbro Gaming, priced around $29.99. This one really caught my eye because it's a staple in the strategy genre, perfect for players who enjoy a bit of competition and world domination. If you want to outsmart your friends and conquer territories, this one's definitely worth considering. Risk allows you to command armies and strategize your moves across a world map. You'll roll dice to battle opponents, and the addition of a dragon token adds a fun twist, making it even more chaotic. It's designed for 2 to 5 players and averages around 4.7 stars from over 9,700 reviews, showing that many players still find joy in its mix of luck and strategy. However, some reviews mention that the game can drag on for a long time, especially if players take their time with decisions. But here's the thing, if you're the type who loves a good, long evening of strategy, then this isn't a deal breaker. It's about the experience and the fun you have with friends. This is perfect for you if you love a strategic showdown with friends and are okay with longer game sessions. Skip it if you prefer quick gameplay. For the price, it delivers great fun for a solid number of players. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who enjoy a mix of strategy and creativity. Product number 3, Carcassonne. The third game is Carcassonne by Z-Man Games, priced at about $31.99. This tile placement game grabbed my attention because it gives you the chance to build your own landscape and score points through strategic placements. If you want a game that blends creativity with strategy, this is one to check out. In Carcassonne, you draw tiles and place them to create cities, roads, and fields while deploying meeples to claim them. The combination of strategy and luck keeps every game fresh. It's designed for 2 to 5 players and holds a solid 4.8-star rating from over 11,200 reviews, indicating it resonates well with many gamers. Now, some players have pointed out that it might feel a bit too random for their taste. But honestly, that's part of the charm. It makes each game unique, and it's a fantastic way to keep things interesting with different landscapes every time. This is perfect for you if you enjoy games that involve a mix of strategy and artistic vision. Skip this one if you're looking for something with more direct competition. For the price, it's a fantastic investment for family game nights. Now, if the randomness of Carcassonne bothers you, the next game brings a more structured experience. Product number 4, Azul. Next, we have Azul from Asmodee, priced around $31.99. This game really caught my eyes with its beautiful mosaic tiles and strategic depth. If you're a fan of aesthetics and gameplay, this one is definitely worth a look. Azul is all about drafting tiles to create stunning patterns on your board. It's easy to learn, but the strategy runs deep, requiring you to think ahead to outscore your opponents. With a 4.8-star rating from over 16,600 reviews, it's clear that players love the blend of beauty and strategy. However, some might find the game a bit too light if they're looking for something more complex. But here's the thing. While it's not the heaviest game on the list, it offers a satisfying experience with plenty of replayability and fun. This is perfect for you if you want a visually appealing game that's easy to pick up yet still provides strategic challenges. Skip this one if you prefer heavy, complex strategy games. For the price, it's a great addition to any game collection. Now, if you're looking for something that combines strategy with a unique theme, the last game on my list has just that. Product number 5, Wingspan. Finally, we have Wingspan from Stonemaier Games, priced at $55. This one really piqued my interest because it's all about collecting birds and building your own wildlife preserve. If you're looking for a strategy game that's different from the rest, this is a must-see. Wingspan lets you attract and collect birds, gaining food tokens and laying eggs to score points. It's a beautiful game that combines strategy with a love of nature. With a 4.8-star rating from over 12,700 reviews, it's been recognized with several awards, making it a top choice for many board game enthusiasts. Now, some players have mentioned that the setup can take a little longer than expected, but I'll be real with you. Once you're in the game, it's a delightful experience filled with strategic choices and gorgeous artwork that makes the setup worth it. This is perfect for you if you have a love for nature and want a game that combines beauty with strategy. Skip this one if you're not a fan of thematic games. For the price, it's a bit on the higher end, but the experience it offers is truly unique. So, after looking at these 5 games, it's clear there's something here for every type of game lover. From the quick and strategic splendor to the themed beauty of Wingspan, there's a perfect strategy board game waiting for you to enjoy.